gonna be cool, huh?
Yeah. When you putting this up there?
Huh? I'm gonna cut a piece and put here, underneath, up, and then that's how I'm doing it.
We had a dream many years ago to live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe a cow or two, with cats and dogs and goats and an occasional moo.
Have you ever had a project that just challenges you and takes you to your utmost limit? Well, this garage is doing that for me. And I love working on this stuff. I do. But every time I turn around, and I think it's because of clutter, so I'm going to move everything out of the garage that I can move out, since it's not going to rain today. I'm going to go ahead and spray foam the seams of the foam board insulation. And then I'm going to get that pegboard up, and hopefully I can move on from there. It's got me stumped, but lots of things have had me stumped. But first I've got to get this garage cleaned out, at least some of the junk out of here, because I cannot work in this situation. It's driving me crazy. So I'm just taking down the board that I used to support this shelf. And now it's spray foam time. Let me get all this sealed up. It's not one of my favorite tasks. Today I'm going to cut this, try to get it up, cut the countertops, and build the frame for the miter saw. So we'll see if that gets all done today. That's my list of projects for today. Okay, now this is up. I'm going to go ahead and cut the frame for the miter saw and get this measured and up. I'm so excited to get this done. I need to find some screws.
What about your hinges?
I don't care. I really don't care.
Do you want to change your hinges?
You may change it all. I don't know. I need screws that are going to fit. Reese is just cutting out this part of the cabinet edge so that this 2x4 will fit snugly against the wall of the cabinet. That's a cool tool, huh?
It's a weird tool.
I love that tool. Okay,
It looks a little long.
I will be adding something to close that wall off at a later point.
Oh, that looks nice.
I need you to help me lift this up here so we can see if my spacing is right, because I may have made a mistake with that.
Okay, how do I?
Just grab right here on this handle and right there. And 1, 2, 3. This is as heavy as all get out.
You okay?
Okay, so
Okay, back to when
it
you.
looks good.
It does level up with this. It
Yeah.
looks like it at least.
It looks too high over here though.
See, it looks.
Oh, it's because I don't have the countertop on. Yeah. Let me see.
Oh, because the countertop's here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I was gonna say, because it looks too low right here, but I wasn't sure.
When building a miter saw station, you have to make sure that all of the angles will fit and that the saw blade can come up and down. Can't go back. I can go back that far. Okay, so this is too high on this side.
Well, do you have an extra countertop there?
Well, I was doing that on purpose because that side is lower, but it doesn't look.
Hello, Forrest. Hello, sir. Where are you going? Oh my gosh. Grab him. He has a gash on his neck.
He does. It's been right.
That has to go down. And if that went down, this would be fun. It's just that middle board is too thick.
I don't think the middle board's too thick. I think the. Thank goodness we got it leveled. Now it's on to another piece of pegboard and get that anchored in. Had to make cuts around the electrical boxes. I'm hanging this board up here so that I can hang something from the board and it covers up the seam of the pegboard. Now I can hang some more things on the pegboard and get them out of my way, which I'm so grateful for. On the wall directly behind the miter saw, I'm just using some wood boards, just 1x4s. And then I'm going to paint that anyway. Top. Well, I have putting stuff away as I'm cleaning so that I have a place to put it. Now, all of this is going to get painted, but for right now, I have to have this stuff cleaned up, and then I'm going to go back and do one section at a time, painting it. I've been cleaning over here. I think for now, I'm just going to go ahead and paint this workbench, and until I get more cabinets, and then I can go ahead and use it as well. I'm using these mineral feeders or feeders for my trays to hang on the wall because they're sturdy and I like them. They're easy to get in and out of, and so I got 3 of those, and then I got some of the other kind as well that I'll be putting on. I've got the back wall organized. That little mirror is coming down, but I don't have it down. There's my nails, there's my wire, there's my brackets, there's my pegs. And so you can see it's tedious work, and it takes forever. I bought these cabinets, and being a newbie to all of this, I did not know that, you know, I could just pull them out and put a panel that reached to the ceiling. Put a panel that reached to the wall, and then my countertop wouldn't have hung over like that. And I wouldn't have such a big space. Now I could do 2 things. I can just go ahead and leave it like this for now, which I probably will. And later on down the road, I will move my cabinets out, and then the countertop will be in the same spot, but I'll just move my cabinets out so that they're not sitting way back. But for now, I'm just focusing on all of the rest of this. It's getting there. I'm having to go through just tons and tons of stuff, like nuts and bolts and hardware, things like that. And so it's taken some time.